This is a quick video on how to remove the navigation audio system from a Lexus IS range. This will be to get it out for repair or for conversion from Japanese to English from us at www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz. Let's get started. Now I've already taken most of the stuff off, so to make it easier for the video, first you start by taking a flat tool, popping up underneath these pieces here and pulling them out sort of slightly towards you. You can see they're sort of on an angle, so they come out towards you. You can unscrew the gear knob, you put your shift lock down, put your foot on the brake, and then you can pull it through to a position so you can get this up easy. You take your tool or something flat and go underneath there, pop this up. I've already loosened this off already for the video. That normally stays down there. There's a plug there, and we can take that off. And there are two screws down here, two Phillips screws. Undo those two screws, and then you can undo the two plugs from here for the cigarette lighter. There are two 10mm bolts underneath here, so take your 10mm and undo the two 10mm bolts that are underneath there, and that's those bottom ones. Now we get to the tricky part. This top piece, vent piece here, is really hard to get out, and this is very, very brittle and rubbery and comes off really, really easy. So what you need to do is you need to get flat blade screwdrivers and get up in it underneath here. There are 4 holes there, which I'll get this out so you can see it easy. I've already got this out to make the video fast. So you carefully, you can see here there are these spring-loaded pieces up here, so when you go up with your screwdriver, you can put up in there and pull that down. So you need to do that with 4 all the way and carefully work your way across so that you can get this piece out. You've got to try and be careful of this edge here because it's always very brittle. Pieces always usually come off. So once you got that off, you can carefully put that up out of the way. There are two 10mm bolts that go down there. And once you've got that out, put a good rag across there, and you can get this out. Now if you're doing conversion, there is a little wee flap with two T10 screws on the back here. You need to undo this little flap and then pull on the little plastic tag on the hard drive so you can pull this out. So pull on that wee tab, slide the hard drive right out, and take this and send this to us for conversion. If you need any more information, give us an email or come and see our website at www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz. Thank you.